Mix 3 cups of milk, half cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of gelatin together and heat on low heat until the gelatin and sugar dissolve. Then mix 150 grams of cream with some of the milk mixture to equalize the temperature, then add to the mixture and mix well. Pour into a mold and refrigerate for 2 hours until firm. Mix 1 packet of jelly with 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water, then mix well. Remove the panna cotta from the mold, wash the mold, place the panna cotta back into the mold, pour the jelly on top, and spread it to the edges. Refrigerate for 5 hours until firm. Enjoy!